With plenty of streams and lakes to draw from, the Anishinaabek depended on fish for a great part of their diet. Walleye is cooked in a variety of ways: boiled, roasted on spits, or dried on scaffolds in the sun or over a slow fire. A 3-ounce serving of walleye provides the recommended amounts of omega-3 fatty acids for 1 day. These healthy fats are important for brain function, help prevent heart disease, and also help to reduce inflammation. Walleye chowder is a delicious meal option. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 5 slices of bacon, cooked and cut into small pieces, a half cup of celery, chopped, 1 large yellow onion, chopped, 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil, a 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 32-ounce carton of 1% milk or 3 12-ounce cans of evaporated skimmed milk, 2 cups of cubed red potatoes, 2 large or 4 medium potatoes, leave the skin on, 2 8-ounce walleye fillets thawed and cut into chunks, freshly ground salt and pepper to taste, 2 tablespoons of chopped fresh parsley or green onion. This is optional but delicious. Remember, always start by washing your hands and rinsing off the tops of any cans. Clean the potatoes, celery, and green onions. Chop up the onion and celery. Cut the bacon into uniform-sized pieces. Cube the potatoes. Chop the walleye into bite-sized chunks. Heat the vegetable oil in a large cast iron pan over medium-high heat. Add the chopped celery and onions. Sauté until softened. Sprinkle flour into cooked vegetables and stir until the flour is well coated with oil and there are no large clumps of flour. Slowly whisk in the milk. Turn the heat to low. Add the cubed potatoes and bacon pieces and stir gently. Reduce the heat and simmer for 30 minutes or until the potatoes are cooked through. Stir often to prevent sticking. Add the walleye chunks, cover and cook for an additional 6 to 8 minutes or until the fish is cooked through. Season to taste with salt and pepper. Garnish with parsley or green onions and serve. Enjoy!